Good morning students. Now today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 8, decimals. Okay. First of all, what are decimals? Okay. So suppose, look here, I have a number, this, 24.3. Okay. So here, number we have written 24.3. This point is decimal. Okay. This point is decimal. Getting? Now, how we used to write it? Suppose in a, you all know that in a chapter, whole number and the large number, we used to do place values. Okay. So number, this one, suppose if I write this number, so how we used to write? This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. We used to write it like this. Now, if we will talk about after decimal, this one. So, it will be tenth. What is it? It is tenth. So, we used to write it tenths. Tenths. Now, how we used to write it? See the number. Look here. This is V. This one. So this is ones. So we used to write it 1. And this is tens. So this is 10. This will shows the value 10. This one 100 will shows this 100 and 1000 will shows this 1000. But this one after decimal means after this point, this number will have a place value 1 upon 10. What is it? It is 1 upon 10. And suppose I'll write it like next number if it is there after decimal. So it will be 1 upon 100. Okay. This is 1 upon 100. So this one 3 will be a 10th value. 10th, its place value is 10th. 10th means we used to write it 3 upon 10. Getting? So this one if we will write, we will write it like this 0.3. 0.3. So now see here, if I have written this number, this one. Okay. So how I will write its place value? See here. This is ones, tens, 100. This one is ones. This one is tens. This one is hundreds. Okay. This you all know. And this one will be tenth. Tenth. So how we will write? This is at hundreds place. So we will write it like 200. 3 is at tens place. It is 30. 2 at ones place. It is 2. And this 4 we will write 4 upon 10. So this is the expanded form of this number. It is 232.4. Okay, this is the expanded form of this number. We will write expanded form like this. Means after decimal, we will write it upon 10, upon 100, upon 1000 like this. Getting? See here, we have to expand this one number. So how we will expand it? Again, see, ones, tens, 100. So 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 5 is at tens place. We will write it upon is 5 upon 10 and 2 is at hundreds place. We will write it like this. Okay? Understood how we have to expand the given numbers? Where numbers are given in decimal form, we will expand them like this. Now see, expanded form is given. We have to write this expanded form in decimal numbers. Means we have to write in decimal form. So how we will write it? See here, this is 240 and this one is 2. So it is 242 plus this one. How we will write it? We will write it 0.5. Okay. Whenever 10 number is coming in this fraction form and here it is written 10, 100, 1000 like this in tens that powers. So we will write it like this. Okay, if it is given in 10 0. Then in place of 1 we will put, how many zeros are there? We will put decimal after counting number from our left hand side. So there is 1 0. So from this one number is there, after this we will put decimal. So when we will write it, it will come this. Okay, it will come 242.5. Okay. Now see here, we have given this number and we have to convert it into decimal form. So what we will do, we will just count the zeros. Okay, after writing this number, we will count the zeros. There are 2 zeros. So from here we will count 2 number, 1 and 2. This here we will put point. So it will come 243.24. How we will pronounce it? 24. We will not read it 24. We will pronounce 24. Means 243.24. Okay. Now see, we have done number line in whole number. Yes, we have done number line in integers also. Now here also, okay, we have done number line in fraction also. So here also we will do number line. So first of all we will see that 0.8 is coming between which numbers? So 0.8. 0.8 means it will come between 0 and 1. Okay, it is coming between 0 and 1. So we will draw a line and we will write here 0 and here we will write 1, and in between 0 and 1 we will make 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is, here it is 1. Okay, this one is coming 1. So you will see here 1, here from here you will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and this one is 10. 10 divisions are here. Now this 0.8 is coming. We will count from here. 1 because this is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here it is. This one number 8 is 0.8. Okay. This is 0.8. Now suppose we have another number 1.2. This 1.2. So first of all what we will do? We will just see this 1.2 is coming between which numbers? Okay, so the 1.2 will come between 1 and 2. Okay, it will come between 1 and 2 because here it is coming 1.2. So it is greater than 1 but come between 1 and 2. Less than 2. It is greater than 1, less than 2. So again we will draw a line. It is 0, 1. It will come between 1 and 2. So do one thing, make it between 1 and 2 only. Okay. You will show line from 1. Getting? So here what you will do? 1.2 is, again you will draw 10 division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. So 1.2. This is 1. So here it will come 1.2. This one is coming 1.2. Because after this we will start from 1.1. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 like this. Okay. And like this, if suppose it is coming 2.4, so you will show it after 2. Means you will show it between 2 and 3. Okay. Now see here, our next topic is converting fraction as decimal. Means fraction we have given, we have to convert them into decimal. So in these types of question, what you will do, you will just convert the denominator in terms of 10, power of 10. Power of 10 means 10, 100, 1000 like this. So here we have a number 11 upon 5. So what we can do, we can make it 10. So how we will make it 10? We will multiply it by 2. have done in equivalent fractions. Okay, so here it will come 22 and 5 twos are 10. So here we have 22 upon 10. Now in 10 there is 1 0. From right we will count one number and we will put decimal over here. So it is 2.2. Okay, same here we will do with this also. Here we will multiply denominator with 5. So this is 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. Again it will come 1.5. Getting? Now here see the next one, decimal to fractions. Earlier we have done fraction to decimal. Now here numbers are given in decimal. We have to convert them into fractions. Okay. So here it is, first one is 1.2. So how we will do it? First of all, we will write it as in terms of fraction. Means here see, in place of decimal we have put 1 and after decimal how many numbers are there? One number is there, so we will put 1 0. Suppose it is this one 2.52. So what we will do? We will just remove point from here. We will put 1 and after decimal how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. 2 numbers are there. So 2 zeros. Getting? So like this we will convert them into fraction. First of all we will convert them into fraction. Now we will make it into lowest term also. This we have done in fraction. So 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. So x fraction is 6 upon 5. Getting? Now same here also we will do. Now see here it is 25 upon 10. Okay. In place of point we have put 1 and after point how many numbers are there? One number is there. We have put 1 0. Okay. Here also 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. X fraction is 5 by 2. It is given that question, write the following decimals in place value chart. So first of all you will make a place value chart like this. Okay. So how you have to make place value chart? See here, you will make columns like this and here you will write the number, that is given number. Here hundreds, tens, ones as we used to do place values. Okay. And here you will put decimal, means a point. Okay. After that what you have to write? Tenth, hundredths, thousands, like this you have to do. Getting? So first is 10.6. So 10.6 ones. First of all you will put decimal. Now ones is 0, tens is 1 and tenth is 6 here and in hundreds place there is nothing. Okay, so you will leave it like this only. Here it is 205.9. So again you will put decimal. Then ones, in place of ones you will put 5, in place of tens you will put 0 and in place of hundreds you will put 2. Okay, and in place of tenth you will write here 9 because here only tenth place is there, you will write here. Okay, this is the second question. Now we will do the third one. See the second question. Next one is write the following as decimals. Okay, here it is given in words and you have to write in decimal form. So here it is written 7 tenths. 7 tenths means 7 upon 10. Yes, it can be written as 7 upon 10. And here this I have told you in last video also that in place of zeros. So first of all you will count zeros. How many zeros are here? 1 0 is there. So you will write here 0.7. Means from here you will count the number. 7. One number is there. After one number you will put point. Okay. And 10th value is 0.7. Okay. So here it is 2 tenths and 9 tenths. 2 tenths and 9 tenths. See here. It is written 2 tenths. 2 tenths means 20. 2 tenths means 20. And 0.9 tenth means 0.9. So this is 20.9. Okay. This one here you can write it is 20.9. Now see here, 600.8. So it is very simple, 600.8. Okay. Now see here again given question, write following as decimals. Again you will do, how you will do, 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10. So here 265. So 265. So upon 10 means 10th it is. So after point there is this number we will write. Numerator we will write after 1 point. Okay. Now here see here. Now this one we have done. This is mixed fraction. This we have done in fraction also. 4 tens are 40 plus 2. Okay. This is 42 upon 10. Like this also you can do. And one more method is there, that 4 plus 2 upon 10. So it is again 4.2. Like this also you can do. Next one is 12 upon 5. Okay. This one 12 upon 5. Here we will make in terms of 10, 100 in power of 10. So here we can make it 10. It is very simple for us. 5 2s are 10. Equivalent fractions. Okay. So 12 2s are 24 and 5 2s are 10. So this will come 2.4. Getting? Now come to this one. It is 88 upon 10. So 88 upon 10 means we will write the number as it is. Now we will count 0. How many zeros are here? Only one single 0 is there. From here we will count one number and we will put point. Getting? Now see the next one, question number 5. Question number 5 is write decimals as fractions and reduce the fraction into lowest form. So first of all 2.5 is here. First of all we will convert it into fraction. So how we will convert into fraction? Remove in place of decimal. First we will put 1 and after point how many numbers are there? To the right side. How many numbers are there? One number is there. After decimal see only 5 is there. One number is there. We will put 1 0. Okay. So it is 25 upon 10. Now 5 5s are and 5 2s are. Okay. This is 5 5s and 5 2s are 10. So here it is the lowest form, that is 5 upon 2. Getting? Now this one again 137 upon 10. Now this cannot be reduced. So it will remain same. We will keep it like this only. Now this one it is 6.4 here. 6.4. It can be written as 64 upon 10. Now again 2 5s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So it will come 32 upon 5. This lowest form we have done in fraction also. Now we have to do question number 6. Question number 6 is express the following centimeter using decimal. Okay. So before that we have to see these units. 7 basic units of measurements is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So this is the bigger unit. These are the bigger unit. These are the smaller unit. Okay. Okay. So from when we come to the smaller unit, we just used to multiply, and when we goes from smaller unit to higher unit, we just used to divide. Okay. Higher unit to smaller unit, we used to multiply, and when we move from smaller unit to higher unit, we used to divide. Okay. Now see here, given is 30 millimeter. We have given 30 millimeter and we have to convert it into centimeter. Okay. So from millimeter to centimeter, we are moving from smaller unit to higher unit. So we will divide, and by what number we will divide means what is the gapping between them? There is a gap of 10. Okay, 10 units. So from millimeter to centimeter, there will be 10 unit of 10. Okay. So what we will write in 1 centimeter, there is 10 millimeter. Okay. So so what we have to do, we have to convert this millimeter into centimeter. So 30 upon 10. Okay. So here we will see that there is 3. Why? because we will put point from here. It is 10. So it is 3.0 centimeter, or you can write 3 centimeter. Get it? Now see the next one, which I am taking is 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Now what you have to do, this 4 centimeter will remain same because it is already in centimeter. So this is 2 millimeter. This we have to convert into centimeter. So 4 centimeter will remain same, and this is 2 upon 10. Okay, it is 2 upon 10. So this we can write 4 centimeter plus 0.2 centimeter, or this you can write 4.2 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, 4.2 centimeter is the answer. Now see the next question, question number 7. Between which whole number given number lies? Okay, you have to tell between which whole numbers these numbers are lying and which one of them is nearer to the number. So first of all, 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 is greater than 0. Okay, and this one will lie between 0 and 1. Okay, this one lie between 0 and 1. 0.8 will lie between 0 and 1. If we will make the number line, this is 0, this is 1. We will divide it into 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So here it is coming. This one is 0.8. So it is lying between 0 and 1. And which one number is nearer to this 0.8? 1 is nearer to it. Yes, 1 is coming nearer to it. So what you will write? We will write that we will write 0.8 lie between 0 and 1, and 0.1. Which of these whole number is nearer to the number? 1 is nearer to the number. Okay, this is the answer. Now here come to the next one, 2.4. 2.4 means it will lie between 2 and 3. This I have told you earlier also. You will just see this number 2. It means it is coming, it is greater than 2. Okay, 2.4, it is greater than 2, and next number will be 3. After 2 it is 3. So it will lie between 2 and 3. So 2.4. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. It is lying here. 2.4. So it is coming between 2 or nearer to 2 or 3. It is coming nearer to 2. Yes. So what we will write here? We will write that 2.6 lie between 2.4 lie between 2 and 3. And which one is nearer to it? So 2 is nearer to the number. Okay.